Are you ready to make your money work for you in 2026? If you've got just $1,000 to invest, this video will show you exactly how to grow it using smart, proven investment strategies, even if you're a complete beginner. Today, we're going to break down how to turn that $1,000 into a foundation for long-term wealth. So grab a notebook, sit tight, because I'm about to show you where to invest, what to avoid, and exactly how to start, step by step. Why 2026 is the perfect year to start investing. Let's start with why 2026 is such a golden opportunity for investors. We're entering a year where AI-driven businesses, renewable energy, and digital finance are booming. Inflation is cooling down, and markets are stabilizing, making this the perfect moment to get in early. Here's the truth. You don't need a fortune to begin. Even with just $1,000, you can start building real growing assets that set the foundation for future wealth. All it takes is a smart plan and consistency. Step 1. Build a safety net. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a safety net. Set aside $200 to $300 of your total in a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Why? Because life happens. Unexpected bills, emergencies, or job changes can pop up at any time, and you don't want to pull money out of your investments early. Think of this as your stability fund. It keeps you safe while the rest of your money grows. Step 2. Invest in stocks and ETFs. Now that your base is secure, it's time to make your money work. The best place to start? Low-cost index funds and ETFs, because they automatically diversify your money across hundreds of strong U.S. companies. Here's a simple plan. Invest around $500 to $600 into ETFs like the S&P 500 ETF, ticker VOO or SPY, or the Total Stock Market ETF, ticker VTI. These funds include companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and many others that power the U.S. economy. If the economy grows, you grow too. And the best part? Apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood let you start with no commission fees. Pro tip: set up automatic investing, even $50 a month. That small, steady habit is what builds real wealth through compound growth. Step 3. Real estate without owning property. Think real estate's out of reach? Think again. You can invest in real estate without buying property through something called REITs, or real estate investment trusts. With just $100 to $200, you can buy shares of funds that invest in real estate projects, shopping centers, apartments, warehouses, and more, and they pay you monthly dividends. Some great examples are VNQ, the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, or Realty Income Corp, ticker symbol O. These are perfect for earning passive income from real estate, no mortgage, no maintenance, no tenants. Step 4. Invest in your skills or side hustle. And finally, the most powerful investment of all, yourself. Use that last $100 or $200 to learn a skill or start a side hustle. Take an online course on finance, AI, or digital marketing. Learn to create YouTube videos, start a small online store, or offer freelance services. Remember, the best return doesn't always come from the market. It comes from you. The more valuable your skills, the more money you can make and invest. Mistakes to avoid. Before you invest, let's talk about a few common mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. First, avoid get-rich-quick crypto or stock schemes. Second, don't invest in things you don't understand. And third, never go all in on one single stock. Successful investors focus on diversification, patience, and consistency, not gambling. Let's recap your $1,000 investment plan for 2026. $300 savings or emergency fund, $500. Stocks and ETFs, $100. Real estate through REITs, $100. Invest in a new income skill. Follow this simple plan, stay consistent, and you'll be ahead of most beginners by this time next year. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to invest $1,000 in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Ayad Finance Academy, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos on investing and business growth plans and strategies. Drop a comment below and tell me how you plan to invest your first $1,000. I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest smart, start small, and stay consistent.